Hi, boys and girls. This week we're going to go over the letter C. Say C with me. This is the uppercase C, and this is the lowercase c. C makes the k sound. The letter of the week is C. Words that start with the letter C. We have car, cat, and can. Each of these words make the k sound in the beginning. We have car. Car makes the k. Car makes the k sound. We have cat. Cat makes the k sound. Cat. Can makes the k sound. Can. All right, boys and girls, look up some words that begin with the letter C. Have a parent to help you. Have your parents to upload your letters to our Facebook page or our Class Dojo page. Have your parents to play the letter C song for the week by Jack Hartman. Have them to click this link. Bye.